Enthusiastic.
Thought-provoking.
Inspiring.
Powerful.
I think a compelling session, the one word I would use would be takeaway. That means that there's something that I learned from the session that I can either reflect on later or use in the classroom later. So yeah, something that where you don't just leave it at the session, it's something that really helps you to grow as a professional.
I think that the best presentations are interactive with enough time left over for questions at the end, because we're really here to exchange ideas, and I think that some people forget that that's the true spirit of a conference, is to have dialogue and try to bring away new ideas and be energized by the whole experience. So I love ACTFL. It's my favorite conference.
I love seeing student work and student interviews and student examples, but again, I really want to see something avant-garde that's new and interesting.
An effective presenter should definitely know their product. They should know their craft. I also like an engaging presenter, someone who can connect with the audience and include everyone within that experience, because that's what it should be, whether it's very formal or more like a conversation.
I want to see somebody that's really organized. I like to see them speak clearly, enunciate.
They come out, first off, being incredibly passionate and energetic about what they are presenting.
Be energetic and enthusiastic. Show interest in the interests of your audience.
Have a content that's really doable in 30 minutes, because you have so many questions sometimes. Really outline what you want to say.
Think about your audience, like be as honest as you can. I think that's what gets people, that approachability I think is what attracts people. They want to see your highlight reel, they want to see your best stuff, but they also want to hear about what didn't work.